Hey everyone, if you're like me, you've probably found yourself looking at a pivot table trying to figure out what is going on with the dates. This is one thing I've run into in the past, and it's caused a lot of headache. Why my dates are out of order, why it doesn't make any sense. I've got a little pivot table here where we're seeing that. You just want the data to be sequential and you want it to be correct, but for whatever reason, it's not working out that way. There is a manual way to fix this, and you're going to save yourself a lot of time and a lot of headache. The first thing to do, all you're going to want to do is you're going to move your cursor and you're going to see a little hand pop up. Once that hand pops up, and this is on a Mac, so just bear with me with that, you're going to want to click, and once you click, you'll see the green, that line pop up. You now can click and drag this year wherever you want. So 2013 is our first year. We can drag it all the way to the left, and you can see it fixes it. It gets to where we want it to be. So again, we just want to click on the header there. You can get the little hand cursor, click, and drag 2022, 2020 all the way to the back. We can do the same thing with 2017. Let's get that back in order. And then 2015, we're going to make that adjustment too, get it to where it needs to be. So now all of our years are correct. They're in the right sequence, and we've saved ourselves a lot of headache. It would be easy, or better, I should say, if this just worked automatically, but unfortunately, that's not always the case. Sometimes due to different data issues in an Excel pivot table. And again, you know, I've showed this on a PC, but I just want to show you that it's equally as easy on a Mac and can save yourself, again, a lot of headache. And I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe to The Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.